Welcome to PC Upper Intermediate Module A, Day 15, the last day for the vocabulary. Word number 1 is campaign. Campaign is an official planned activity that has a specific goal, common with politics, military, or business advertising. It's a noun. It has 2 syllables. Campaign stresses in the first syllable. It was a highly effective advertising campaign. Number 2 is shall. Shall is a modal verb. It means a future intention. How many syllables are in shall? Just one. Shall. Whatever shall we do? Word number 3 is demand. Demand is strongly ask for something. It's a verb. How many syllables are in demand? 2. Stressed in the second. Demand. He demanded to speak with the manager. Now, we also have demanding, which is somebody or something that demands a lot. It's an adjective. How many syllables are in demanding? 3. Stressed in the second. Demanding. This job is very demanding, so prepare yourself. For number 4, we have post. A couple of meanings here. One is letters, etc., that are delivered to homes or work. The other is to send a letter or parcel by post. So you see here a verb and a noun. How many syllables are in post? Just one. Post. Has the post come yet? First definition. Did you remember to post my letter? Second definition. Word number 5 is publish. Publish is when we share information, especially in a book, magazine, or newspaper. So it's in print. It's a verb. How many syllables? Publish. 2 stresses on the first. Publish. It's not easy finding someone to publish your novel. We also have a publisher. That's somebody whose job is to publish things. So since we know this is a job, we know it's a countable noun. How many syllables are in publisher? There are 3. Stresses on the first. Publisher. He worked as a publisher for many years. Word number 6 is transition. Move from one activity or stage to another. It can be a verb or a noun. If it's a noun, it's countable. How many syllables are in transition? 3. Transition. Stresses on the second. Transition. The speech quickly transitioned from the economy to environmental concerns. So here the speech changed. The speech went from talking about the economy, and then it changed to talking about the environment. Number 7 is investment. Investment means to put money or time into something. It's a countable noun. How many syllables are in investment? 3, stressed in the second. Investment. It was a large investment and it carried a lot of risk. So we also have invest. Same definition, but it's a verb. How many syllables are in invest? 2, stresses in the second. Invest. We must invest in education because children are the future. Finally, we have investor. An investor is somebody who invests. It's a countable noun. How many syllables? Investor. 3, stresses on the second. Investor. They tried to find private investors for the project. Word number 8 is such as. Such as means, for example. It's a chunk. You notice it's 2 words here, but the such is emphasized. Such as. We have some questions, such as how it happened. For number 9, we have the word base. Base has 2 meanings that we're looking at. One could be the bottom part or lowest part of something. So for example, the base of the table is the bottom of the table. It could also be where something comes from or where your belief comes from, where your idea comes from. It could be a verb or a noun. How many syllables are in base? Just 1. Base. Look at this sentence. The film is based on a short story. So where does the film come from? It comes from a short story. So we're looking at definition number 2. Number 10 is addition. Addition means to add more of something. It's a noun. How many syllables are in addition? 3. Stress is on the second. Addition. In addition to a larger salary, the job has other benefits. So you notice, in addition is actually very common. Additional means, again, more of something, but it's an adjective. How many syllables are in additional? 4. Stress is on the second. Additional. Do you have any additional requests? Do you have any more requests? Finally, we have additionally. Same meaning, but it's an adverb. How many syllables are in additionally? 5. Stress is on the second syllable. Additionally. Additionally, don't forget to submit the form by today. Number 11 is media. Media are newspapers, TV shows, movies. Those are all an example of media. It's a noun. How many syllables are in media? There are 3. Stresses on the first. Media. Media. The media has a large influence on society. Last word of the day, scheme. Scheme is a plan for something. Sometimes it can be dishonest or bad or illegal. Not always, but sometimes. It can also mean to make clever secret plans that maybe trick people. Again, scheme is often negative, but not always. We can see it can be a verb or a noun. How many syllables are in scheme? Just 1. Scheme. He has a crazy scheme to get rich before he's 20. So you notice scheme here is slightly negative. Now it's not bad. He's not a bad person, but maybe his idea is not practical, or you don't think it will work. So here are the sentences for day 15. Sentence number 1. Samsung began a large media campaign. Samsung began a large media campaign. Sentence number 2. Scientists based their theory on current research. Scientists based their theory on current research. Sentence number 3. We hope this investment confirms our commitment to mental health. We hope this investment confirms our commitment to mental health. All right, good job. You have finished day 15, the last day in the module. Good luck on your test.